guess who's coming? I be the god of the flows, I be the god of the spin, I be the god of the blows. I'm black and blue up and shit and probably swell up your nose. A lot of bitches love when I spit, so let me dazzle you hoes. Let me frazzle your head, do a skedaddle with Joe and get a stack of that money and get a stack of the drone. Better back it up, money before they crack to the dome. I got a pack of them niggas that leave a crack in your skull. Hold up! See, I ain't finished with y'all before I diminish. Let me handle my business with y'all. Watching the niggas you shook when looking all nervous. Made back in front the club, hard crooked on purpose. Now, ladies, my made back probably hold 6 in the back and 3 if you're fat. Probably hold more in the back if they sit on the lap. I gotta go and move to the party to see where it's at. Come on, can't stop, won't stop. Rock it to the rhythm, cause we get down, cause we get down, cause we get down. Show what and what we get down. See you later.
Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Oh my
Let's go, Timberland, Timberland, Timberland. Let's go, Timberland, Timberland, Timberland. I say, I do what I say, I do what I say, I do.
Timberland, aka funk like me, Timberland. All my niggas speak, aka Batman. We guarantee to make the party go bounce. Fellas say, oh, girls say, ah. Get the corn rolls up in the club. Girl, don't be fast, little girl, back it up. Go girl, like it's home, man. Take that ass and pass it, man. Right, girl, shake it like it burns.